What color is that? You show me. What color is that?
Blue.
Oh, you count. You count the fish and then you circle the number. Count. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good. Oh, where's number 20? You circle. Very good. Okay. Yay. Next. Next page. This one. This one, baby. This one. No. Finish na. This one. Here. Oh, you count the puppies. No, count it carefully. Oh, careful. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, blue.
Where's your blue? There.
Blue? Ikot ko na.
Yes.
Isuyin ko.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh, how many?
16.
Okay, you circle the number.
My green
What's the answer? Very good. Okay, next. Next. What's that? What's this?
bird.
No, it's not a bird. Yung ducks. Oh, you count the ducks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, sundin. Ayun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Very good. Then, what's the answer? Circle.
17.
Very good,
17
amazing.
lang?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Very good. Okay, how about this? Oh, baby, what you'll do, you're going to color. Oh, color mo 1. Color 1 cow. Color mo daw 1 cow.
1 cow.
Oh, you color 1 cow.
1.
1 only.
1. Saan ganyan?
What color is that?
Brown.
What color?
Okay.
Purple. Very good. Okay.
Ay, mali.
Why?
Saan yan?
Oh, 1 cow lang daw. 1. 1 only.
Mali.
No.
Mali.
Why?
Brown.
Where's brown? Ah, ang color ng cow, brown. Oh, where's your brown?
Purple.
Opo, wag nga naman purple. Where's your color brown?
Ay, pencil mo erase ko.
Yeah, erase mo. Sige.
Kung gusto niyo ng white cow, baraman yun. Baraman.
Where's your...